Morning everybody, welcome again to Pero's channel, done by my son Nico. Today we're starting a new job. What's gonna be here today, it's gonna be demolition day. This gotta come out, toilet gotta come out, shower door gotta come out, all the tile, everything gotta come out. This whole wall gotta come out because what we're doing here is gonna be new medicine cabinet built in the wall. This coming out. And this is gonna be new vanity, 48 inch maybe to here. And we're gonna move the toilet this way and build the shower a little wider. And also, we hope we can take this guy out. There's no piping, no crazy stuff behind the wall. Then we can make also shower wider. And it's gonna be brand new swing in and out door later. And new plumbing fixtures, new lights, it's gonna be a different bathroom. It's gonna be better bathroom the way we do it, okay? And you stay update with us during this process. And thank you for watching, and I love you. Hello back. 11:25. What time is starting? 9. Check it out. Brenda!
I am late to go to an appointment.
Well, I'm gonna talk to you about some thing. Cement. Look at this. Wow, it's a 3 inch.